everyone, happy Friday. So today is May 28th and it's Dad's birthday. We are heading off to Sydney. The car is pretty full right now. Alexis is at the front seat over there and Marcus is driving. We've got we got Avery here and she's just snacking. You okay? This is how she likes to sit in the car. Legs wide open. Say hi, Bella. We are going to try to vlog this weekend's events. We've got lots of family parties, my dad's birthday celebrations, and gonna hopefully get to chill out with some of my girls as well. But yeah, we're on the way now. I'm just gonna show you guys a nice view. Show you. Oh my gosh, what a view! Yeah. Avery's just snacking away. Hopefully she'll be good throughout the whole ride. She'll probably watch some YouTube. Avery, say hi.
Hi guys, welcome. So we're here now in Sydney. We're at Dad's birthday celebration. The family's here. Family, wave hi. Hi. So we have here Dad's Honda and we're gonna start soon. And we have Aleli and Kuya Ryan.
That's Avery.
Avery pala.
Avery's sleepy. Oh yeah, here's Dad's handa. We have some fish, steamed fish, papandan, stir fry, prawns,
Where's the polo?
palabok,
In the bathroom.
we've got kare-kare, we've got chicken pastel. We have here some vegetables, spring rolls, chicken rolls, cassava. This is Abby's baked mac. And here we have the main event, which is the lechon belly. Yum. And we got Chris's brownies. We got some cake as well. That's handa.
Wow, galing niya ate ka ta, nakalakahilig sa kuna.
Hey guys, I don't know, but Justin Bieber's here. Guys, Justin Bieber's here. With the Yeezys. Justin Bieber, guys. Hi. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Love you. That's a wrap, guys. So my cousins just got home. We're cleaning up now, and we're gonna end the vlog here. See you tomorrow in the continuation. Bye, mommy, and remember, mommy, you're vlogging, and remember, no vashi. Bye, guys. So we're here now at the Epicurean and we're at the buffet having lunch, and I'm actually onto my second plate, which is seafood. So we have our seafood here, and yeah, I think we'll show you around the rest of the place. But so far it's really yummy. I'm gonna get oysters.
So this is the view from our room. Just kidding.
We got stuck on the wrong floor. Alibaba. Hi.
want to eat? Who's this? Wow! Uy! Wow!
Hey guys, we're at Phil's birthday. We're gonna eat soon. Some good food.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!